...2019 was an amazing year for Penzi. We were part of these incredible celebrations for many couples that trusted us, not only from Mexico, but also from overseas. Una pareja que viene a San Miguel es una pareja sofisticada, es una pareja que ha viajado mucho, es una pareja que le gusta la historia, la cultura, pero que quiere todo el romanticismo y la diversión que tiene San Miguel. You can get married in beautiful haciendas, in amazing private villas, in these gorgeous gardens. Mexico is full of color, it's full of traditions, it's full of vibrant energy, and we want you to experience it. I think I have the best team ever. There's 12 planners for you, and they all speak English and Spanish, of course, porque el mercado mexicano es muy importante para nosotros. And we are just living in San Miguel, which is a dream city. In April, we got the award of Best Planner of North America, and we were honored with this prize. And we're all doing this for you, because we want to be the best.
Our commitment is with our couples to listen to their ideas and offer them an amazing experience. Para nosotros todos los clientes son importantes, tanto los extranjeros como los nacionales. Los nacionales tienen la ventaja de venir a San Miguel y conocerlo más a profundidad. Sin embargo, nunca deben dejar de lado que San Miguel de Allende puede ser una gran experiencia para su gran día. We have a big challenge for 2020 to keep delivering amazing moments, bringing culture, music, and color together. We want to continue to learn and be the best in San Miguel.
Thank you so much for trusting us. To all our couples, to all our clients, we really appreciate it. And we will see you 2020.